welcome to another interview here from Evertiq Expo Berlin 2025. This time I'm joined by Jörg Nolte from KURTZ ERSA, who just had a presentation about technology and trends in sustainable assembly repair. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for being here.
What are the technologies that currently make sustainable assembly repair a viable reality?
Well, we see actually we are working this topic since 25 years now, and we see a tremendous growth in the request of being able to repair assemblies all over the electronic industry. So there are many drivers from the different section of electronic industry, and practically everybody is interested to do it.
And what would you say is the most common challenge when it comes to more complex S&D components?
What we see in, let's say, from the section of artificial intelligence, we see more components coming up, larger components coming up, especially on the BGA side. So we are talking about component sizes like 100 by 100 millimeter in size. And these large BGA components are really challenging for a rework process.
But there's also a different side of the electronics industry where everything becomes smaller, miniaturization. And how is that affecting the technology leaps that is required for the rework of these assemblies or even the recycling of them?
Yeah, well, the smaller components, practically I would say there is somehow a limitation from the physical size, so you can't get even more tiny than we already are. But these components are also very popular, they are widespread, and we have to deal with it. What we will see is that a more automated process will come in the next years, because simply the handling of these components is almost impossible. So we have to work on more automated processes, more precise processes to get all types of components in the same manner, treated in the same way, to have a good result in the end.
Are you seeing more companies, both EMS and OEMs, that maybe have not taken this approach, leaning into it more and more now that sustainability has become more of a demand than a buzzword that it used to be before?
Definitely, yeah. We spoke about the electronic waste amount that we are seeing, 60 million tons worldwide. So everybody who is involved in electronic production starts to think about the processes to keep their products in operation, to make them repairable, to make them reusable. So this is a widespread trend, and we see them all over in the entire industry, no matter where you look at.
Then I wish you a successful 2025 and hope to see you next time.
Thank you. Same to you.